Today I'm making a salad. I wanted a banana salad, and this is how usually I make my salads. I just put a bunch of stuff on it, a lot of good things. I have a banana. When they're speckled like this, they are sweet. They're ripe. This is ripe. I have some artesian lettuce and some butter lettuce that I just picked from my yard, and I cleaned it off, make sure all the everything is off of it. This is a fourth of a cucumber, normal size cucumber, just a fourth of that. Usually I do half, but I'm trying to save. It's my last cucumber, so I'm trying to save it. I am putting some coconut flakes. These are sweetened coconut flakes, but I'm putting these in here. I'm gonna put maybe 2 teaspoons of flaxseed. This is not roasted flaxseed. This is like raw flax seeds. I got it from a grocery store that sells those and dried black beans and things like that. This is my chia seeds. I put them in this container here, this glass jar. Cranberries, some dried cranberries are always good, makes the salad sweet. A box of California raisins, I love it. Some carrots, I always put at least like 3 or 4, maybe 4 or 5, sometimes more carrots. And these are like locally grown carrots. I usually shop at Aldi or there's another grocery store that sells a lot of the fresh things like flax seeds and chia seeds in bulk. I can't think of the name of that store. I might put the link down in the name of it down in the description. These are just almonds. They don't have salt on it. They're just plain chopped up onions. Pickles. I'm back on the pickles, man. Sandwich pickles are really great. And I love the crunchiness. So I'm making my salad. And of course, my favorite dressing is French dressing. I don't care what brand. This is from Aldi. I love her dressing. It's my favorite. So anyway, how I lay it down. And I wish I have couscous, but I'm not making couscous. I'm hungry. So I'm just like, actually, I can lay it in there, but I forgot I need to cut these. So all of this is going on my plate. This filled up an entire colander or strainer when I went in the garden and picked them. I love growing my vegetables. I don't have many things that I'm growing right now, but I just planted some garlic today, and I'm excited about just having a lot more fresh vegetables. I have some green onions, like scallions, and other lettuces and things like that I'm growing. So hopefully I'm gonna grow more. All right, so this is my lettuce, and see, this is how you want your salad. You want your salad to fill this plate. Don't play. Put all that salad on there. This is good. Then I'm just gonna plop my cucumbers that I've cut up, diced up, put them on there. And then I'm going to take my carrots. Being that these aren't the shredded carrots, I just always take my carrots and I just put them on the side. Put them on the side right there. Next thing I'm gonna put on here, let's see. Let me do my coconut flakes. Coconut flakes, I don't really measure it. I love coconut flakes. I love making macaroons. Just put some on there. It's good for you, it makes it sweet. I like putting coconut in my cereal. I eat rice cereal. It's really the only type of cereal that I eat. I do measure my flaxseed. Flaxseed helps you with so many different things. You just don't know. I'm telling you, I'll have to do a separate video just on what flaxseed and chia seeds and all the cucumbers and all these things do for you. All the vitamins. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you. Put it in your salads. Put it in your cereals, your meals. Just throw a handful of that in there. My chia seeds, I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of that in here. Pour it all on there. Chia seeds are great nutrients for your body, I'm telling you. Raisins. Sometimes I do half a box. How am I feeling today? I think I'm gonna put just a half a box of raisins on here today because I have cranberries also. And my cranberries, that brings so much sweetener. Even if I didn't use dressing, sometimes I don't use dressing, and it is so good. So I just put, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or something of some dried cranberries. My almonds, I kind of eyeball it, but it's usually about, well, maybe a tablespoon. Yeah, something like that. Maybe a tablespoon. Looks starting to look yummy. It is starting to look good. My husband just gave me some of his pickle, and it's some more pickles left. And these pickles are crunchy. They are crunchy, and I'm just gonna lay it right there on the side, right there. And now, last thing here is some French dressing. I don't put much French dressing because all of this is gonna taste so good. I don't need much. So I just drizzled it over everything. There you have it. Here's my salad. And I am about to get down on this. This is my first meal of the day today because I had an appointment that was early. And guess what, y'all? I did something bad. I did not eat. So look at that salad. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. It will make you full. There's so many other things that I could have put on it, but I just grabbed this couple of things. And when you have them in packages and jars, you can just take everything, throw it on there. Look, I forgot my banana in my banana salad. What is wrong? What is wrong? So I'm peeling my banana. I totally forgot about you, banana. I'm sorry. Just cut it up on there. If I had blackberries, if I had strawberries, if I had cherries, if I had one of my favorite things, what is it, kiwi. I'm starting to absolutely love and adore kiwi. I think I actually do have an avocado, but I'm gonna save that for an avocado sandwich or something later. But yeah, now here's my salad. Look at that. All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in to my making of my salad. Delicious, healthy meal. This is gonna last me. I'm not gonna be hungry in 30 minutes because I have a healthy portion, healthy meal. Look at that. Fabulous. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day, guys. Bye.